Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk to you about providing value to a journalist before you pitch them. They get pitched all day, every day, and we want you guys to stand out in the crowd. So if you offer information, maybe they've written a story and there's something you know about or somebody else you know about that would be a good follow-up or a good resource for them, send it to them. Send them an email. Send it out if they're really active on Twitter, tweet it at them. Pay attention to their work. Share it with your audience, especially if it's your industry and it's what you do. But be valuable to them. Share other stories maybe first. I was on Fox and found out that the anchor that I was with loved entrepreneurial stories. So for a year, I kept feeding her great stories that she loved. As a matter of fact, one of the stories I gave her, she will tell you, is her favorite story she's ever done. And then a year later, she had the opportunity to do a syndicated television show for Fox that went across to all of their markets. And I was the person that she picked to feature in that because I was front of mind. Sometimes I pitched my stories, but I was just providing a lot of value to her and became an asset to her in her tribe. So I highly recommend doing that. Build that relationship with a journalist. Provide value to them first. And then when you pitch, it's a much, much easier sell. You're a really warm lead to them. So that is this week's tip, provide value first. And as always, I'd like to invite you to join the PR Challenge. If you haven't joined yet, today is the day. It's 10 days long, 10 minutes a day. I give you a short video and some actionable items. Everything builds on itself, and people in there are having amazing success. So yourprchallenge.com, and I'll see you on the inside.